Hello everyone. In this video, we will demonstrate how you can use the graphical user interface of the RiskChanges platform. To access this on your browser, type riskchanges.org, which will direct you to this web page. Once you are here, you can click on RiskChanges tab at the top of the page to be directed to the RiskChanges app. As we can see, there are several modules within the app. For example, in Data Management module, we can upload the element at risk, hazard, and vulnerability. The Modeling tab can be used to calculate the exposure, loss, and risks. Finally, in the Visualization module, you can view all the uploaded or calculated layers. You also have an option to edit their styles or make comparison of multiple layers. Next to it, you will also find a Vulnerability tab. This is basically a database of all the vulnerability curves that have been uploaded by several users from different projects. As you can see, this database can be accessed even without signing up in the platform. Let's check one of the vulnerability curves by clicking on this view icon. This particular curve is made for flood, for a multi-story building made of bamboo, mud, and wood. The x-axis shows the intensity of flood, that is the height, and the y-axis we have damage ratios ranging from 0 to 1, where 0 means no damage and 1 denotes a complete damage. You can also compare the vulnerability curves with that of another building construction type. Below the curves, you can find the metadata with all the information such as the description of the buildings. This is how you can visualize the information from the Vulnerability tab. Next to it, the Help tab will direct us to the documentation of RiskChanges. Now let's proceed to the sign up and login. If you are a first-time user, then you need to sign up by using your first name and last name, your email ID, and then create a new password. The confirmation of this will be sent to the corresponding email from where you'll have to activate your account. Once you have an account, you can click in the Login tab and enter your email and password. Once you're logged in, your email ID will be shown at the top right corner. If you click on the drop-down option, you can either view your user profile or log out. By clicking on the user profile, you can edit your personal information. Before performing any calculation, you'll have to first set up the organization profile. For that, go to the Organization Information and click on this tab of Create Organization. Then you can assign a desired name for your organization, an acronym, and the contact details, as well as any relevant descriptions. You can click on the Submit button. Once the organization has been created, you will see another option of Organization Dashboard added to this drop-down. Now if you click on that, you can view and also edit the information of your organization. Once this has been done, you can then add projects to your organization. In the Project tab, start by assigning a unique name of the project, study area, the deadline for the project completion, and any additional description of the project, or upload any relevant documents or PDF if available. Then you can click on the Submit tab to create this project. In addition to that, the project coordinator or manager can also invite different staffs through their email address and assign them to a particular project. An invitation link will be sent to the email of the staff where they will have to accept it. Finally, let's go to the main page. Before uploading any data and performing calculation, remember that you'll have to always begin by selecting the project within which you're working.